How y'all doing? It's George over at Wicked Warnings. Hope everybody's having fun today like we are. We're messing around with the brand new 21 F-150. Just want to get this out right away to you. We're doing a lot of stuff to this truck, so stay tuned. If you got a 21 and you've been waiting, I'm doing my best to get you guys the info as fast as I can. Let me talk to you about what you're looking at there. The little F-150, trying to be a Super Duty, putting some fender badges on it from the factory. We want to give it the look that the Super Duties all love. We use a Thin X in our Super Duty builds like this, but on these F-150s, we're going to be using the Sound Off M-Power just because of the way it fits. Fits real nice and tight in there, as you can see. So let me show you how we get this done real quick. I got the other side taken apart. I'll walk you over there to the other side. As I said, got a lot going on this truck right now. So here's the badge on the other side, just so you can see what the back side of this badge looks like. You've got some spring clips. Yeah, they fight you a little bit. This sticky stuff by my thumb, that's a double stick tape. You're gonna have to kind of massage off of there. Try not to ruin it, so when you put it back, it sticks nice and easy. You got all those clips. Now the way we did this light, as you can see, we used the sticky mount that we sell, and we also put a little bit of RTV silicone in there to seal that up and give it a little extra grab. We did use the adhesion promoter for sure to get that VHB stick as stuck as it could stick. Real sticky. And then I just put the RTV in there. The reason I use the RTV is you can pick all that out of there. Say you wanted to take the light out of the badge and you just want to pretend it was never there, because the wire goes through that hole. And you can pick out the RTV, take the light out, and it's like it was never even there. So it works out real nice like that. You can see that's kind of how the light ends up in there. That's a 3-inch M-Power in that side badge light. Pops in real easy right there. And as you can see, I'll take you into the fender here. It's a pretty easy access right there. Heidi ho, Heidi ho. So you can get the wiring right up underneath the hood here. And you'll end up taking it through that factory grommet down there, or drilling your own hole right above the factory grommet per F-150 spec. Pretty much normal as to the other older F-150s. Not a lot changed in that aspect. So, but as far as the badges, let me take you around the other side and show you again what that looks like, because I know you want to see more of it. There you go. Try and focus up here on the truck if the camera will let me. It's not really letting me. There you go. I think it's a good solution. Should provide a real nice warning. Back up here real good for you. Nice warning for the front of these brand new trucks. Pretty much a damage-free install. Yes, we sell the lights. Yes, we sell wire. Yes, we sell switches. And yes, we sell VHB adhesion promoter and everything else you could ever need. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. We hope you enjoy this 2021 F-150 strobe light in the badge tutorial. Hit us up, smash the like button, subscribe, share with your friends. Most importantly, drop a comment. Maybe throw a picture of your own truck. Thanks again for watching.